In front of me is POCO F5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. First of all, just open Play Store and click on the search bar. Now type in DevCheck and download this free app from Flare2 developer, DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, swipe. Thanks to it, you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!